The SMD file is a Valve source engine model, the 3D format behind characters, weapons, and props in Counter-Strike, Team Fortress, and Half-Life. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you view, edit, and convert these game model files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific SMD application fails. More details to follow. SMD files are model reference and animation files for Valve's Source and GoldSrc game engines containing 3D mesh geometry, skeletal bone hierarchy, and animation sequence data. They serve as the intermediate format between 3D modeling software and compiled MDL game model files. Valve SMD files use a plain text format storing bone definitions with parent hierarchy vertex positions, with bone weight assignments, triangular face data with texture coordinates, and per-frame skeletal animation keyframes for compiling into source engine MDL models. The native handler for SMD files is usually Valve Source SDK from Valve Corporation. The file's embedded objects and layers require specialized software for full access. Windows may preview only a static image, so full model analysis requires 3D viewing tools. Your first step in unlocking the file, right-click the SMD file and select Open With. Prioritize Valve Source SDK if you see it. If not, select another program. A systematic approach is best here. If the SMD file won't open, don't panic. Because the SMD format is proprietary, simple misconfigurations are common. We need to verify these crucial technical details using our checklist. First, viewing in 3D software. Import the SMD file into Blender using the Blender Source Tools add-on. The model loads with mesh geometry, skeleton, and textures mapped correctly. Alternatively, use Crowbar, a source model decompiler, and viewer to inspect SMD files alongside their compiled MDL counterparts. Next, editing model data. Open the SMD in Blender with source tools for full mesh editing, bone adjustment, weight painting, and UV mapping. Modify the character or prop geometry, apply new textures, and adjust bone weights. Export the modified model back to SMD format, maintaining source engine compatibility. Finally, compiling for source engine. Use Valve's StudioMDL compiler to process SMD reference and animation files into the engine's compiled MDL format. Create a QC script defining model properties, LOD levels, animation sequences, and physics collision data. Compile with StudioMDL and test the result in the source engine model viewer. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.